In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace boost listing, not showing using the best method available. Let's dive in and ensure that your boosts are visible and effective. First, let's take a look at the basic requirements and eligibility conditions. It's crucial to ensure that your listing complies with Facebook's commerce and ad policies. These guidelines outline what is acceptable on the platform in terms of content and promotion, so reviewing them is an essential first step to prevent any potential violations that could hinder your boosts. Next, you'll want to verify if your post is eligible to be boosted. Not all listings can be boosted due to Facebook's specific criteria regarding the types of listings, categories, or even regions. Sometimes boosts are only available for business pages or select marketplaces. Make sure you're clear on these rules so you're targeting the right listings for boosting. Moving on, check your account status and add permissions. Any restrictions, past violations, or unpaid ads on your Facebook account or page can limit your boosting capabilities. Make sure your account is in good standing to proceed without any obstacles. Another key component is your payment method. Double check that you have a valid payment method set up. Failed payments or any perceived issues by Facebook can block your ability to boost. Having a reliable payment setup can help you avoid unnecessary blocks. Now, let's troubleshoot. Start by logging out of your account, clearing your cache, or even trying a different device or browser. These simple steps can sometimes resolve technical glitches that prevent your boost from functioning correctly. It's also important to keep your Facebook app updated, or alternatively, try using the web version. An outdated app may not support recent features, affecting your ability to boost listings. Regular updates can provide the latest fixes and enhancements. If you're using Instagram placements, verify that your account is properly linked and eligible. The boost process may use Instagram, and any issues with your account being linked might affect your boost visibility. Consider unchecking Advantage Plus placements or Instagram if necessary. Additionally, confirm the status of your listing. Ensure it's marked as active and there are no errors present. In some cases, listings might undergo policy review post-boosting, so patience could be a virtue here. Don't forget to review location or country settings. Discrepancies in these settings might lead to issues if boosting isn't fully supported in your region. Ensure all settings align for smooth operation. If you encounter a boost unavailable message when hovering over a post, pay close attention to the specific reason Facebook provides. Understanding these cues will help address the issue more effectively. Finally, consider some common fixes reported by users. For instance, disabling Instagram placements or Advantage Plus might resolve blockage issues if Instagram isn't linked properly. And if everything appears correct and the problem persists, don't hesitate to appeal or contact Facebook support through the Report a Problem feature in the Facebook Business Help Center. By following these steps attentively, you should be able to resolve any issues that prevent your Facebook Marketplace boosts from showing up effectively. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Facebook boosting efforts.